If you ever try to search for something with Windows File Explorer, you will have come to realize that it takes ages. So long in fact that it's not even worth to use. Because of that and many other reasons, I decided to make my own file explorer called Dorian. And one of the most important features is this: a functional file search. But one thing Windows has, and mine doesn't, is an indication that it's even searching for anything. So how do we turn this boring search into one with an actual nice animation? We start by defining one object or component per letter. This is to ensure that they can all move independently. The most important part for this wave effect to work is circular motion. Basically, every letter rotates around a point a little off to the side. But you can see what is happening very obviously because the letters themselves don't stay put. They are rotating as well. For that there is another animation that just rotates in the other direction. Then for the glow and disappear animations, in the beginning of the rotation all items turn to 10% opacity, which goes up to 100% in the middle, then back to 0 in the end. Alongside that, in the middle the text color turns white, which creates this nice flashing effect. But that's not all. There is an additional animation that gives the text a white glow once it turns white, making it really feel like it's shining in that moment. Then to make the wave really feel like an actual motion, each letter rocks back and forth constantly with a range of just 20 degrees. Then finally, when the animation plays out long enough, all letters do this grand spin here. And now, the moment where it all comes together. Until now all letters have moved together, which of course isn't quite right, so all that's left is giving each letter a little delay based on its position in the word. And with that, it's all done. All that's left is to add a few random lines that come out based on what you're searching for, and it's done. Let me know what you think. If you're interested, go to the website down below and download Dorian. If you're fed up with both Windows and Mac OS's default file explorers, you will like this a lot. The animation showed in this video is not out yet, since it's part of an upcoming update. If you'd like to be notified as soon as that happens, join our Discord server. Oh hey, and by the way, Windows File Explorer still hasn't found anything.